Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick and today I'm gonna show you how to create your own template on Squarespace. So please listen to me carefully and let's get started. Straight away to the business, guys. It's super easy. Anyone can do it. So let's see how it actually works. Once you get your own Squarespace account, we mentioned in our previous videos, guys, you can actually make your own account without a credit card or anything. 14 days free trial is waiting for you guys, so give it a shot. Create website is right here. You can press on it and be redirected right here. Make any template yours with ease. So from this point on, I just want to show you, because I showed you before, guys, how to build a website, how easy it is. So now I just want to show you build your own template is right here. You can press on it, a template that's unique to you, design your home page, add pages you need, choose your colors and fonts, generate text with AI. Let's go. Setting things up. So let's see how it works. It's incredible easy, guys, because I can maybe do a comparison, guys, to some other websites and platforms like Wix, like Shopify, something like that. They are all super easy. They're all no-code platforms for building a website, but Squarespace is something else. It's definitely amazing, definitely something to think about, guys, because it's maybe the easiest one out of every single possible platform I mentioned. So check it out. My Squarespace website right here. Let's just see Wave of Wealth like this. I'm just illiterate. Squarespace right like this. Next, let's see, add sections to build your homepage. Look at this. This is where magic is coming to life. So build your homepage. Intro section we need. Pop. That's it. There's intro section. Product section, we need that, right? So right here, it's here. Services section. Let's press on services. Voila. Imagine that. Services are here. Appointments, we maybe not need. Digital product section, we maybe not need. About section, I want to. So take a look at this, guys. About section is right here. You can change layout maybe. Let's see, like this one, maybe I like it even more. Like this one, maybe I like it even more like that. So yeah. Again, as I said, you're doing everything with your mouse, guys. Basically nothing with a keyboard. So social section, we need that. Yeah, you guessed it right. It pops up straight away. Form section, footer section. That's all we need. So let's just say, press on next. Next thing, what we need is our pages. Who we are. About section. Contact us section, guys. So let's just say, about contact. We need our services. That's right. We need appointments, guys. That's right also. And maybe a course right here. Course title. So you can check it out. Who we are, contact us, our services, book an appointment, course title is here. As easy as that. And now the really interesting part, guys, colors. This is something that I really enjoy in doing, guys. Right here we can switch from plenty of colors, guys. Color combinations, monochromatic, neutral, bright, bold right here. You can see it for yourself, but let's just see, maybe not that one. Maybe I just want to do this or that. Let's keep it this way. Bold in every single possible meaning. Choose a font pairing, guys. Poppins, Baskerville. We're doing some Baskerville dog, guys, right here. Introduce your brand. I will keep it because, yeah, you know, why not? Let's just see. Gathering your pages, saving your colors and fonts. Just a few more moments and see. And your template, your own template, is ready in about what, like 4 minutes. I mean, I'm not quite sure. Personalize your website text faster than ever, right with Squarespace AI. And this is also a magic, guys. This platform in general, Squarespace, is a literal magic. So you can check it out. You can skip this part or you can continue and see how their AI is working. So please, just keep in your mind, guys, that description for your site, you can make it right here. Basically, they have integrated AI, something like ChatGPT, if you don't know. But guys, it's really amazing. Adds details to your brand or expertise. This description won't appear on your site, so it doesn't need to be perfect. This is just a prompt that you're making, guys, basically. So just you just need to share information about your website, about your products or something like that you want their AI, Squarespace AI, to write a description about. And trust me, it will be amazing. You can see this is an example down below. So let's see, for example, that provides their community useful insights related to business, online business. Let's see what we'll get next. This is a neutral one. Let's see playful. Quirky. That's it. Finish. Generating your text. This may take up to 60 seconds. So please, guys, I'll see you in 60 seconds. And guess what? Here we are. We have our own template that we can actually edit, guys, right here. You can check it out. You can press on anything right now, guys. Press on edit. After that, it's everything is a child's play, basically. You can see down below everything that we made, that we needed to make, guys. Everything is here. Services are here per section. Writing the way of wealth about section is here. You can, of course, after that, add section, people, testimonials, events. And if you press on either one of those sections, guys, you can see, for example, contact. You have plenty of options for contact right here, guys. You can add whatever you like. About, of course, in colors that you previously said to that you like to use. So right here you can see everything in tone, everything beautiful, basically. People right here, you can see me to the team, products. You can add a product section, for example, this one, let's just say, why not? And after that, just switch, just move. As I said, all you need is your mouse right now. You can switch, move, delete, why not? You can just press right here, maybe press on delete on keyboard. So yeah, we can use a keyboard also, and you can check it out. Delete. If you want to delete this entire section, remove section. That's it. That's basically it. Edit footer, guys. If you want to edit footer, location right here is maybe, why not New York? It's not New York, it's in talking Massachusetts, but it didn't matter. Right here you can put your mail, guys. You can put everything what you need. So yes, it's super easy. So give it a shot. After this, you can add section even up here. So intro, another intro, add a blank section, guys. Up here we need a blank section. So yeah, it's super easy. So check it out right now. You can add a block right here, text, image, shape, and everything. But as I said, I believe it's up to you, and it's super great. It's super great because it's like you're using some kind of mixture of some Microsoft programs like Word, PowerPoint, something like that, because it's incredibly easy to use, guys. It's incredibly easy to use, and as I said, no prior coding knowledge, no initial investment at first, 2 weeks for free. Play with it, learn how to use it, and it's really amazing. So check it out. As I said, it's here. That's how you can make your own template. We're gonna do plenty of videos about Squarespace. So see you in the next one. Goodbye.